Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook vegan tofu full guide. Press tofu firmly before cooking to remove water and concentrate texture, then slice or cube it to your preferred shape. Use a simple marinade of soy sauce, acid, and oil for at least 15 minutes. Heat a non-stick pan until hot and sear tofu to golden brown on each side for the best crispness and flavor. In this video, I will show how to cook vegan tofu full guide. Create a marinade with soy sauce, rice vinegar, maple syrup, and aromatics like garlic or ginger to boost taste. Let the tofu soak for at least 15 minutes or overnight for deeper flavor. Use a bit of reserved marinade warmed into a glaze while cooking to add shine and extra seasoning without making the tofu soggy. In this video, I will show how to cook vegan tofu full guide. Choose a cooking method that matches your schedule and texture goal. Pan fry for quick crispiness, bake for hands-off convenience, or air fry for ultra-crisp results with less oil. Toss cubes in a light coating of cornstarch for better crunch and flip or shake occasionally to ensure even browning. Finish with a fresh sauce or herbs for brightness before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.